So here is Eurgbp chart analysis, and we are at the beginning of a potential downward movement. In the last few days, the currency pair has been in an upward trend. That was obvious with the consistent higher highs and higher lows which is printed in the market. However, we noticed that after this last higher low, that the new high was not far away from the previous high, which is an indication that bullish pressure is reducing drastically. And when the next low formed, it formed just very close to the previous higher low, and then a new high was printed, which is almost equal to the previous high, still indicating that there is a decrease in bullish pressure. Now the next low formed, which is actually higher than the previous low, but could not give us a new high. For the fact that we are not able to get a new high higher than the previous high, it indicates that bullish pressure has drastically reduced and that the bears are taking control. And that was confirmed by the break of the previous higher low, which is at this point. So the price broke it down and now is retesting that point. So for the fact that we're able to break this recent higher low, it is an indication that a bearish pressure is on, and it also confirms the fact that we are unable to get a new higher high. So we are out for a bearish move. However, we need to wait to see what happens at this retest. As we are looking at it, I've drawn my trend line connecting this recent higher lows, and that is the trend line that serves as the support of that base, which has been broken and now serving as a resistance. And that is where price is struggling with. So price is struggling with this recent higher low, and also it's meeting with a trend line, which is a confluence of a horizontal support and a trend line support. That is a strong place for price to beat. So at this point in time, we're already noticing that the price is being rejected at that point with these two pin bars that we've seen here. We've seen two dojis at this point in time. So we have to just wait for a bearish candle that will close downwards, then we can short. If you want to be conservative, that is what to do. But if you want to be aggressive, you can actually enter a sell right now and put your stop loss just above this previous high, this most recent high that have been formed there. And where will be your target? Your target will be this very low that we established at this point. Look at this higher low. That is where the price will be heading next, and after that, this next high, that will be where price will be heading next. So these are our two targets. So if the price still persists, this may be our last target. The risk reward ratio is quite high. The price presently is at 0.8767. So if we are being aggressive and we want to enter the market, the stop loss should be around 0.8787. So we are risking about 20 pips. Our initial target will be about 47 pips. So more than 1:2 risk reward ratio. And you can see the price is already moving down, and it's a good thing to catch on and to trade this moment. So I wish you the best. We're heading for a bearish move. Let's see how it all plays out. Make sure you catch the move. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, kindly ensure you subscribe. And remember, my goal is to help you make money trading Forex just with your phone.